Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Grand i10 Sportz to ACC so the head unit is live. This lets you configure without driving. Next, plug in a quality USB cable or ready Bluetooth on your phone because wired CarPlay/Android Auto is more stable for GPS. Once done, open your chosen Maps app and give it location permission. This ensures the car can request navigation data. Make sure infotainment firmware is visible so you can check compatibility and avoid failed pairings later. You now pair the phone, enable Bluetooth and select the head unit name that appears, then confirm the match PIN. This establishes the basic link. If you use CarPlay or Android Auto, plug the USB cable and accept the on-screen prompts so the infotainment can launch the navigation app. Make sure the Maps app is set to high-accuracy GPS mode, and when possible, download offline maps for the region. This prevents dropouts in tunnels or poor mobile coverage while driving. You finish by running a quick test route to confirm the map follows the car and that voice directions play through the car speakers. This verifies routing and audio routing. Save home and other frequent destinations for faster future routing, and tweak display brightness and route preferences so navigation is readable day or night. If GPS doesn't lock, toggle phone location, reboot the phone and head unit, and if problems persist, inspect the vehicle antenna connection or consult a dealer to rule out receiver fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.